21.
John,
thank you, sir. Get hungry! Somebody get hungry! There we go, my man. Get inside.
Listen here. Got some boys that play something real.
Woo! Come on, Sonic. I don't know. Get it, Andy. Woo!
Listen here.
My man. Sonic the Hedgehog.
Nasty horns.
Malik wags this guy's tail.
Listen here. Got some boys that play something real.
Oh!
Nasty horns.
I'm sick.
Go on, Mark!
Woo!
Listen here. Got some boys that play something real. Nasty horns. Listen here. Got some boys that play something real. Nasty horns.
Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Listen here. Got some boys that play something real. Nasty horns. Listen here. Got some boys that play something real. Nasty horns. Listen here. Got some boys that play something real. Nasty horns.
Yeah. Oh. My man ST.
Check this here. We want to make y'all move.
Woo!
And while you're digging the tune, me and the boys gonna keep on rocking. I said we gonna keep on rocking. Is that all right?
Stay tuned.
I said it's done all right. Y'all hear that, boys? All right, boys, come on now. Bring it back around. Everybody get down. You're looking tight. Everybody all around. You're looking tight.
Woo!
On the left, you're looking
Nice.
tight. All the people on the right, you're looking tight. Everybody get down. You're looking tight.
3 minutes left. 2 minutes
All
left.
around, you're looking
Went by
tight.
fast.
All the people on the left, you're looking tight. All the tight. Come on,
Get it, Ryan.
give me some horns.
Woo! Ryan, y'all.
Listen here. Got some boys that play something real. Nasty horns.
We got Ash, the Pokemon warrior.
Go, kid!
Listen here.
Get it, kid.
Got some boys that play something real.
Get tough,
Nasty
baby.
horns.
Woo! My man. round for Hoover. All right, RB, last round. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Hoover, you don't know what you started. Get it.